Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure to subscribe to never miss out on any more videos. Today I am doing a pretty fun video. I'm doing an affordable look on this look right here with affordable products. Not just drugstore, affordable. Just so you know, sometimes people get confused with that. So yeah, I'm doing that. I have some great products and I wanted to incorporate this beautiful like purple color since ultraviolet is the color of the year. So yeah, I wanted to do that, and if you guys want to know how to recreate this look, then make sure to keep watching. So to kickstart this look, I'm gonna do my eyebrows first, and first I'm gonna fill them in with my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill in the color Dark Brunette. And to set them in place, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer Mascara in the shade Deep Brown. To prime the lids, I'm gonna use a small amount of the Milani Eyeshadow Primer in 01 Nude. And since I'm using ColourPop shadows for this look, I'm making sure to use the tiniest amount of product to make the blending easier when I go in with the shadows. Today's look is going to be like very purple and sort of 80s inspired. So the first shadow I'm going to use is Cowboy by ColourPop. Obviously, I already said this. This is going to be my transition shade, so I'm blending it out a little bit past my crease. And I'm also adding it to the lids, but I'm going to be applying another color there so it doesn't matter. For my lid color, I'm using Daddy, which is a darker shade of purple, and I'm applying this onto the lid with a combination of my fingers and a brush to get the perfect blend. The last shadow I'm using is Leopard, an even deeper shade of purple, and I'm going to be applying this closest to my lash line and smoking it out. So it's almost like an eyeliner, but a lot less defined. For the lower lash line, I'm using the same eyeshadows in the same order. So I'm starting off with Cowboy as a transition, then going in with Daddy a little bit closer to the lash line, and then going in with Leopard as close to the lash line as possible to mimic exactly what I did on top of my eyes. To further define my lash line, I'm tightlining with the Rimmel Soft Kohl Kajal eyeliner pencil in jet black, and I'm just applying this to my top tightline thing, whatever. For mascara, I'm using my favorite L'Oreal Lash Paradise, but I'm only applying this one to the upper lashes. For the lower lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara in collaboration with Shayla. This mascara is a beautiful purple shade, and I thought that it ties the whole look together, so I decided to apply this one to my lower lashes. Moving on to my face, I'm going to prime with the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm, which isn't technically a primer, but it works beautifully under makeup, so I'm gonna go in with this. For my foundation, I'm going to go in with my Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum Foundation in light beige. And since this is more of like a medium coverage foundation, I'm going to apply a couple of layers with my Beauty Blender. To conceal, I'm using an oldie but a goodie, the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face with this. For some weird reason, I decided to cream contour for this look, so I'm going in with the Kiko Strobe and Sculpt Cream Contour Palette in light to medium, and I'm applying this everywhere I normally contour. I also took the highlight on this little palette and I applied it to the high points of my face. To set everything in place, I used the CØDE Airspun translucent powder and I applied it all over my face with my beauty sponge. And then to add a bit more bronze and definition to my face, I used the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in light bronze, and I applied this everywhere the sun naturally hits my face. Now for that blinding highlight, I used a ColourPop highlighter in Dreamcatcher, and I applied it with my fingers to the high points of my face. For blush, I went in with the Essence Satin Touch blush in Satin Coral, and I applied quite a bit of this to the apples of my cheeks. For my lips, I wanted something neutral since the eyes are super colorful, so I used my Maybelline Matte Lipstick in Nude Embrace to complete the look. And the final step is setting spray. I use the Milani Make It Last setting spray, and after a few spritzes of this, the look is complete. And that's about it for today's video, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed this look, and let me know if you guys recreate it. Also, I'd love to know what your favorite affordable makeup products are. I could always use some more. Always. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. I will definitely see you next week. I don't know what I was gonna say there, but yeah. I'll see you guys next week. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.